Are you looking for the best bug-out bag? In this video, we'll break down the top bug-out bags available, whilst comparing them for price versus performance. Before we get started with our video detailing the best bug-out bags on the market, we've included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting off at number 1, we have the 5.1 Rush 72 Tactical Backpack. Dependable 1000D nylon protects your survival supplies through the elements. Clothes self-foam straps cushion to your arms as you lug around this water-repellent rucksack, and a cinching waist strap lets you customize your fit. This resilient bag has a 3,342 cubic inch, 55-liter total capacity. Simply put, you can cram a lot of stuff in here for when the shit hits the fan. If you aren't familiar with the mole system, just know it basically means you've got a lot of customizable compartments for all your essentials. There are compartments for food, a compartment for glasses and gadgets, a fleece-lined device compartment, zippered pockets for first aid kits and important documents, and numerous other pouches and pockets. We dig the expandable shove-it compartments. That's the perfect size for a hoodie or jacket. There's also a rear hydration compartment. Most preppers say this pack is worth the price, though a few wish it was cheaper. At number 2, we have the Rebo Gear Tactical Backpack. Brave brutal winds or heavy downpour with this heavy-duty bug-out bag. The high-density material repels water and handles bumps and drops well. Survivalists also appreciate the mesh sections that promote airflow. When you're dealing with an emergency, you need quick access to your survival gear. This Rebo gear makes it easy to grab your supplies, whether you need a knife from the mesh pouch or a flashlight from one of the bag's many pockets. The padded straps let you comfortably trek to a safe location, though they could have a bit more padding. Multiple zippers, pull cords, and buckles hold your supplies snugly inside your bug-out bag. Customers rave about the great value of this budget-friendly bag, which typically costs half the price of other bug-out bags. At number 3, we have the Conair 3-Day Assault Pack. Resilient yet breathable, survival pockets have mesh, which helps promote airflow. There's also a foam back panel that helps prevent bulky supplies from scratching or scraping your spine. There are plenty of pockets on this Condor bag, and it has more exterior space than the Maxpedition Vulture-III. We love that it utilizes the mole system, because we can customize our storage space and truly pack everything needed for an emergency. For starters, there's a large load cargo capacity compartment, equipped with a separate pocket for 2 3-liter hydration bladders. There's also 3 document pockets, 2 radio pockets, pen holders, mesh pockets, and side pockets. Folks hesitant to lug around a heavy backpack will appreciate the waist belt and sternum strap. These features help redistribute weight from the bag, and the padded shoulder straps also promote comfort. Expect to pay an average price for an above-average bag. It's cheaper than the 5.11 Rush 72 bag, but more expensive than the Rebo Gear bug-out bag. At number 4, we have the VooDoo Mojo Tactical Men's Bag. The bag is super durable. In fact, the bag is backed by a lifetime warranty. However, you may want to invest in a frame if you plan to fill this bag to the max. This could have easily been our top pick if it wasn't so hard to lug around. But there's a good reason for that. It has 11 different storage pockets, plus a generously sized interior. There's also plenty of clips so you can add extra bags, pouches, pockets, or whatever suits your style. This bag is compatible with mole webbing accessories, so you can cram even more essentials into your newly added exterior pockets. When you get tired of carrying the VooDoo Mojo as a duffel bag, take advantage of the adjustable padded shoulder straps. It's removable, so you can get rid of it if you don't think you'll need it. This is one of the priciest bags on our list, but it holds more than most other bug-out bags we've seen on the market. It's built to last and worth the price. At number 5, we have the Maxpedition Vulture-II Backpack. Like most bug-out bags, this one is crafted from resilient nylon. That makes it lightweight, yet durable. There are several colors available, including black, khaki, and multiple shades of green. This spacious bug-out bag boasts 2,100 cubic inches, or 34 liters of carrying capacity, so go ahead and load it up with your supplies. Just be careful not to overfill the interior, as it may bulge out on the outer pockets and leave you with very little storage space there. Hikers and survivalists appreciate the double shoulder straps padded with plush foam. There's also a handy sternum suspension belt that helps distribute weight evenly across your body instead of pressing it all against your back. This hiking bag has an average price compared to other bug-out bags we've reviewed. It's a solid choice if you're not a big spender, but don't want the cheapest option available either. And for our final pick at number 6, we have the Sustain Supply Co. Family Emergency Survival Bag. Lightweight, yet resilient. We debated between this bag and another pre-packed bag, but reviewers said the other bag was made from cheap, flimsy material. Slide your arms through the thick straps of this backpack-style bug-out bag and comfortably lug around more than 30 pounds of supplies. This bag contains everything your group of 4 needs to survive a 72-hour crisis, including bath wipes, food, water, flashlights, lanterns, blankets, and 24 packs of food. There are plenty of zippered pockets, plus several easy-access pockets. The pre-packed supplies take up most of this bug-out bag space, but you still have room for some extra essentials. $300 may seem like a hefty price to pay for survival, but it averages out to just $75 per person. Sure, you could probably buy all the supplies cheaper and assemble your own bug out bag, but why do that when you can get this pre-packed bag? So that sums up our top bug out bags of 2020. We hope you enjoyed. If you did, please leave a like on the video, and if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next time, have a great day.